back on track.
You're overspeaking.
Because when we fight in a civil war, there are no winners, there are no losers. We all get bruised. The winners have bruises, the losers have bruises. But when you bruise your brethren, it's your duty to take the hospital. Whether we hurt you or don't, it's our job to repair you. And whether you hurt us or don't, it's your job to rehabilitate us. So, why do we have to get to that stage when we can stop it before it happens? Disagreement is not the problem. Making mistakes is not the problem. The problem is when you can't repair the damage you have, or to prevent the damage you are about to do. In my military training, they told me, my instructors told me, the greatest generals are those who win wars, not shoot in the grave. Those who win wars, not shoot in the grave. Talk of bullets. You see wars in the world. Have you ever heard of the phenomenon of the military-industrial complex? The phenomenon of military-industrial complex. Weapons are commodities, and they are made in factories, and those commodities have to be consumed. When they are not consumed, the factory is closed down and people get unemployed. So how do you consume weapons? How do you consume weapons? You create wars. They create wars, we buy their weapons, we kill each other, their industries go on, here we go back to the ADU. Do we manufacture beer in Uganda? No, but we deploy it. Do we make tanks?
No.
I'm told Nigeria is trying to make some in well, but we deploy them. Do we make aircrafts? No, we deploy them. So does Rwanda, so does Congo, so does Burundi. And we are consuming all of these warcrafts from people who make them. And we pay for that equipment. To your, and we paying ammunition for weapons in both years. I mean, went and bought weapons using them against us. And we, the survivors, are paying. So Ghana, whatever you use against us, or whatever we use against you, when we win, we shall pay. When you win, you will pay. So, the medicine is, let's not fight. Yeah, let's not fight. Let's tell us how to get back on track. Yeah. Tell us how to get back on track. Chingo and I, we should also listen to them. That's the best way we shall get back on track. And then we shall not go back. Then you don't have reason to bury me when you kill me when I can't fight anymore. I'm not going to fight with a gun now, but I still have my head. You know, one day, the late Pepos met General Kashaka, and in their discussion, Kashaka told General Pepos that 2 heads are better than one. Then Pepos said, yeah, 2 heads are better than one, except when the second one is yours. So let's put our 2 heads. Let's put our 2 heads. Tell us where we're going wrong. Let's also feel. In Kiswahili say kuhisi. Let's feel what we're paying. Let's get to understand each other. Let's not get excited. Like Luke says, for us we are not going to be part of the this
iPod.
But if you are not part of the iPod, how shall we know when you are hungry? But I'm suffering from hunger. The man in the kitchen does not know you are hungry. How does he feed you? What you do is come to iPod, grab this radio, and say, don't serve this one, don't forgive me. When you've given me soup without bread, I say, I just want bread. How come you are giving meat and chicken? Say, treat us fairly. But if you are outside, nobody will listen to you. And this goes for all episodes in political struggle. Including the struggle in Besigye. That Besigye should be tried in a court, condemned or absorbed, is a right. It's a right. So when are you? But falls under you. DPP is under 12. Honestly, keeping a man in jail for 8 months.
No,
And you say he's guilty. You not told us what it is. Tell us. Yes, I know he could be guilty as hell. But for as long as we don't know what he has done or not done, for us as laymen, in the court of public opinion, he's innocent. In the court of public opinion, he's innocent until you present him before us and you tell us what he has done. And all the others. No citizen should be incarcerated without fair trial. I'll tell you this, but they hate me, they like it. That's up to me. As far as I'm concerned, nothing goes, nothing gets, bye-bye.